Hello and welcome to Design by Misha. One of the biggest challenges while designing your bedroom is finding a place for all your stuff. By following some simple design rules, you will be amazed how quickly a room transforms. Rule number 1. Choose light color walls. If you simply enjoy changing the look of your home regularly, white can be a great canvas to start with. Lighter color will reflect the light, making it seem brighter and roomier. Darker paint absorbs light, which will feel smaller and more constricting. Rule number 2. Use bedside lamp. Instead of having a lone source light in the middle of your ceiling, try using several smaller lamps around the room. This will draw the eyes around the space. Rule number 3. No dark drapes. Light color curtains are good for rooms that get a lot of direct sunlight, as they are less prone to fading from the sun. Especially white and neutral will never go out of style. They are easy to dye a different color if you want an easy way to change it up in future. Rule number 4. Use a light color simple pattern sheet or quilt. Your bed sheets are going to be a key ingredient in the decoration of your room. When choosing your sheets, stay away from loud and busy patterns. Try to coordinate the color and shapes with drapes to match the flow of the room. Rule number 5. Remove unnecessary decoration and details. A room will always feel larger if you keep it clean and organized. You would have probably heard that white opens up a room, and that is generally true. You don't need to decorate in all white, but try to stick with a soft, light palette. Out of all the rooms in our house, the bedroom is the most important space for us. Even though it's an area many of your guests will actually never see. But it still deserves a great deal of attention. I hope these ideas will inspire you. Let me know in comments below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Design by Misha.